Actually, the cardiac muscle fibers are of two types. One of them is actually contractile, just like skeletal muscles. They have got like actin and myosin filaments, so they can contract just like the skeletal muscles. So they can produce powerful contractions and they can propel the blood. But there are some fibers in the cardiac muscle. There are some fibers which are modified, which are specialized, and they don't have any actin and myosin filaments, so they cannot contract. You can say that they are non-contractile fibers, but since they are very specialized and modified cells, and their job is, now these cells are conducting cells. Their job is to conduct the impulse. So one is contractile cells, the other is conducting, and the conducting cells are non-contractile. Why non-contractile? Because they are modified, specialized, and what happens that they have lost their actin-myosin. They don't have any actin-myosin, so they cannot contract, but they have got the ability. They have got the ability to generate their own impulse. They can generate an action potential on their own without any external stimulus. So this property is known as automaticity. Automaticity is the ability of cells to generate their own impulse on their own without any external stimulus. And the second thing that they do is that they can conduct. They are conducting cells, so they can conduct this impulse at a very high velocity throughout the heart. These conducting cells are they are present throughout the heart, so they conduct this cardiac impulse at a very high velocity, so it passes through the whole heart. So actually it controls and it coordinates the activity of all the myocardial cells, so that they can be excited, all of them at a single time at once, so that they contract as a single unit at once, simultaneously, synchronously, so as to produce a pumping effectiveness.